Hi and welcome back on Digital Toolcase. This video is an update about SurgeGraph, this AI writing tool, or better, this SEO content creation tool. And I want to make this video because one of my followers here on my YouTube channel on the comments asked about it. Can you do an up-to-date review of this SurgeGraph writer? What new features have they added and how does it compare to other writers now? Well, let's try to see what's new, and there is not much new about SurgeGraph, but they introduced this time version 2.2 with a content quality update lately, with enhanced content structure, with improved consistency across sections, with reduced list, enhanced paragraphs, streamlined introduction, and maybe the most important thing they introduced is this Content Vision. Content Vision is AI images into SurgeGraph. While I was editing this video, I received a new email about SurgeGraph, so I decided to include this news into this video. It's very quick. They are talking about a new feature that is coming really soon into SurgeGraph, and it's called Product AI. As you can see, many of you wished to see this specific feature in SurgeGraph, and basically it's the product roundup kind of article. With the Product AI, you will be able to craft high-ranking product reviews, boost your affiliate revenue, utilize ready-made, captivating templates, write for any niche with the freedom to provide your own URL or context, bid farewell to tedious product research, access a range of article types. So this will come very soon in SurgeGraph, and again they are saying you can get Product AI without spending a penny. I don't know what this really means, but we will discover very soon. So again, this is just a quick news because I was finalizing my video and I received this update, so I wanted to share it with you. And now let's go with my original video. So let's go inside and take a look at these. As you can see, Content Vision is live, generated 23 images now, but I suppose if you want to generate more images, then you need to pay something more than these $14.69. This is the normal price, as you may know, with the SurgeGraph. As you can see here, if you take a 36-month plan, and as you can see, you now have this add-on, so you can purchase an add-on with, for example, 150 images every month for $5 on top of this price, obviously, and the price is the same, I see, with every plan you choose, even the 1-month plan or the 12-month plan. You can obviously go for more images, for 150 images, $10 monthly, or 1,200 images for $25 monthly. Anyway, let's go inside, and as you can see, I have this pop-up, get free images. It's saying 5, but I suppose they are now 20. So let's try to generate an article, and I will use the same keyword I used in one of my last video about Writer Zen, so I will use the same keyword. Let's go here, US language English. I want this to be my main keyword. Let's go for this, and let's create a document. I see they have added this cancel and trash button if you maybe want to stop the content creation. This was not here, this is something new. Okay, now I need to confirm or change this outline. I will use this default one. This is it, so let me click on continue here. And again, I can confirm or change the length of the article. I want talking points, questions, contextual terms, and I click on generate. Okay, now I have my outline and article scheme, where I can obviously go check if I like all these sections and maybe change something if I don't like them. I will use again these default ones for the sake of this article. Now I want to choose the tone of voice. Let's keep it conversational and let's go with more creative and a lower readability grade. So now I just can click on this start writing. And my article is now ready. This is the first draft of my article, and as you can see now I have this auto-generate with AI. This is for AI image generation. I have choose from gallery, featured image. My topic coverage is 100%. I obviously can go and edit all this article. I have an SEO score. I can go here on the SEO tab and auto optimize. Okay, I will just click on this check mark, so all will be automatically optimized. Accept all for contextual terms. I want to accept all for decorations. Now I will not use links at the moment, but you can also do it. So exit this view. Now my score is up to 62. It was 49 if you remember, and this is my article. I will scroll it so you can read it by yourself and decide by yourself if you like the quality. I see with optimization this introduction was shorter, now is a little bit longer because I suppose they introduced some of the contextual terms. You can find here even in the introduction. As you can see, it starts like this. Imagine this: you're sitting at your desk experiencing eye strain and type headaches and so on. Not a bad introduction, I will say. The science behind the headache relief, exploring pressure points with some introduction to this section, stimulating specific points for headache relief with a numbered list. I have the psychological mechanism at play with a bullet point list. Shoulder well pressure point, something really specific, I think. Location and technique, why stimulating this point helps. So you have a good section here with the reasoning. Third eye pressure point, yin tang. It's quite detailed. I like this kind of article. You have a stress reduction, Union Valley pressure point, another pressure point with all the explanation, again numbered list and bullet point list, drilling bamboo acupressure point. Okay, I'm not an expert about this topic, but I think it's quite good. And then I have this conclusion with two different paragraphs and my FAQ section. It seems quite good. Again, you can stop the video and read it by yourself, so you can see if you like it or not. It's a 2000 words article. But now let's try to generate an image. I never used it for this thing, so I suppose I just need to click on auto generate with AI. I want to generate one image. Let's choose photographic in this case, and I can choose the aspect ratio. Let's go for this one. It's for WordPress, so I think it can be good, and click on generate. As you can see, it takes a few seconds. Okay, I think it's ready because I see here total number of image tasks finished 1 on 1, so got it. I now need to open the gallery here, and this is my image. I don't really know why it generated this kind of image. I don't think I will use this image. Obviously, when AI generates automatically with this new feature, it takes, I suppose, the title or the keyword you used. So why does my headache feel better when I apply pressure? And as you can see, there is some kind of pressure here, but I don't really like this image. I don't think it's good for this article, but here I can also generate images using prompts. So for instance, I can write something like a woman with a headache massaging her head, and let's try again to use this photographic kind of image, one image. Let's click on generate and let's see if I have something better than this one. Okay, here it is. I think it's better than the other. Maybe it's not perfect. We know AI has some troubles with hands and fingers, but this is the quality of images you can generate with SurgeGraph. But again, you only have a few images for free when you try it. Then you need to pay an extra cost every month in order to generate images. I was wondering why I don't have any H1 in this case. I suppose this is a bug, but it is what it is. I'm showing you how it works at the moment. The article is not bad at all, I will say. There is this little bug, maybe it's just in this case. Usually I have a title. In this case I don't have a title. I don't know why. Auto images sometimes go out of road, so maybe it's better if you prompt images manually, so you can get what you really want for this kind of article. But again, it depends, I suppose, from the keyword and the title. And this is it. These are all the new features, all the new things you have inside the SurgeGraph. If you like SurgeGraph, well, remember, you can have a very low price if you choose this 36-month plan. If you want even images generation, you need to pay something more. And with this price, you can generate unlimited documents and unlimited word count with AI. But as you can see, you have an asterisk because obviously it's under a fair use. You can generate many articles, not infinite, obviously. You also have a keyword research and so on. If you want, you can go and watch my first complete review about SurgeGraph, so you can have an idea of all the features this tool has. I think that's it for this very quick update about SurgeGraph. I hope you found it useful. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And again, you can click here and watch my complete review about SurgeGraph. That's all for now. Thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you soon in the next video.